everyone, how is today? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now I want to share to you some article about Meta Octagon MOTG is now available through trading on Al-Bank Exchange. Internet City, Dubai, July 20, 2022 Al-Bank Exchange, a global digital assets trading platform, has listed META Octagon MOTG on July 20, 2022 for all users of Elbing Exchange. The MOTG or USD trading pair is now officially available for trading. By building a decentralized entertainment funny over depths, games, and NFTs in Metaverse, Meta Octagon MOTG enable users to create, display, and trade their contents using MOTG, the main utility token of its platform. The MOTG token has been listed on all bank exchanges as um, 13 o'clock UTC plus 8 on July 20, 2022 to further expand in global reach and help its active in its fashion. 5 BTC plus 303 pins for new players and 15 BTC plus 35,000 free spins every month only as MB's Casino Play Now. Introducing Meta Octagon. Octagon is a blockchain-based user-generated content platform for interactive apps and games. It's a multi-tool that anyone can use to make interactive games, dubs, and memes based on the various templates created by independent developers. Through Meta Octagon platform, users will be able to create digital content such as apps or memes, convert them into digital assets such as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and upload them on the Meta Octagon marketplace. The platform also performs forex artist concert every month, and users can enjoy new songs that are not released in real world every day. The star's payers lens 2,459 record win. Call you be next big winner. In addition, users will be able to create an appearance of their avatar, buy and try various of hairstyle, accessories, fashion, and more. They can also get valuation of their digital contents in the market. Share their creativeness in the metaverse world, communicates with new friends. Check their real profile. The Meta Octagon secures in position in the market as a pioneer of the Web3 metaverse platform of build a fun, creative and communal create-to-earn marketplace platform. Honest one operated by user. It's aim to release to a true blockchain ecosystem by using the Ethereum protocol, attracting both crypto and non-crypto content creator by offering the essential advantage of true ownership, digital scarcity, monetization capabilities, and interoperability. What is the best crypto casino in July 2022? Read our comprehensive comparison. We made deposits, fights, and reviews 80 plus crypto casino to choose the best one. Meta Octagon provides its user super experience over the limitation of time and speech, inviting them to a new concept of club the joys beyond the reality. Okay, maybe just enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.